Beyond the rumbling engines and the metallic silhouette stretching across the horizon stands the symbol of American air power, the Lockheed C-5 Galaxy, a strategic cargo aircraft so large it resembles a flying city. Today, we'll explore how this sky giant was born and how it conquered the skies with its sheer size and power. The story of the C-5 Galaxy begins in the early 1960s. The United States needed an aircraft capable of transporting tanks, helicopters, and war supplies across continents without stopping for refueling. Lockheed was given the challenge. The result was an ambitious project, the largest military cargo aircraft ever built at the time. The C-5 wasn't designed to be simply large. It had to be efficient, powerful, and flexible. Its wingspan reached nearly 200 feet, and its cargo hold was large enough to accommodate small aircraft. Every detail of the design was crafted with one goal in mind, ensuring that whatever troops needed on the battlefield could be delivered anytime, anywhere. To understand its scale, imagine this. The C-5 Galaxy is longer than 6 city buses lined up in a row, and it can weigh over 381 tons at full lift. It's no wonder many call it a true giant of the sky. Its body is constructed from thousands of aluminum and titanium panels, designed to withstand incredible pressure. Its wing structure features a primary bone, the wing spar, that can support tens of tons of weight as the aircraft maneuvers at high altitudes. The C-5's wings are more than just aerodynamic surfaces. They are engineering marvels. Their shape is designed to generate maximum lift with minimum drag, even when carrying large loads at low altitudes. This design allows this giant aircraft to remain stable while flying in the thin air, thousands of meters above sea level. Beneath its wings, 4 General Electric TF-39 engines, the world's first high-bypass turbofans, work to produce a combined thrust of over 190,000 pounds. These engines are so powerful, they can lift a load weighing over 120 tons into the sky in just minutes. When all 4 engines fire simultaneously, vibrations are felt on the ground for kilometers. Its roar is like a thunderstorm, a sign that this metal monster is ready to tear through the skies, carrying the full might of industry and military might with it. The C-5's cargo hold is 37 meters long, enough to accommodate 2 Abrams tanks, a dozen Humvees, or Black Hawk helicopters. Its cargo floor is reinforced with steel and aluminum composite, with an automatic locking system to maintain load stability during turbulence. The C-5 is designed with a double-door system. The front nose can be opened upward, while the rear door lowers a large ramp. This allows cargo to be loaded in and out from both directions simultaneously, shortening loading and unloading time, a vital efficiency on the battlefield. The landing gear is equally impressive. 28 massive wheels support this behemoth. A special hydraulic system allows the aircraft to lower or raise its nose to adjust the height of the ramp, a feature called the kneeling system, making the loading process much easier. The latest version, the C-5M Super Galaxy, features a fully digital cockpit, advanced avionics, dual autopilots, and a satellite communication system. The pilot can monitor all the aircraft's systems from a single multifunction display. This is the embodiment of a digital brain for a metal body weighing hundreds of tons. The fly-by-wire flight control system replaces the old mechanical cables with electronic signals. Every rudder movement is converted into a digital command, relayed to hydraulic actuators, ensuring precise maneuvering even in heavy turbulence. With a range of over 8,800 kilometers without refueling, the C5 can carry large payloads across continents, from the Americas to Europe, Asia, or the Middle East, in a single flight. It makes global logistics not just a plan, but a reality. And if that weren't enough, the aircraft is also capable of air refueling. This allows missions to continue without landing, extending their range indefinitely. The C5 Galaxy is more than just a transport. It is the backbone of the U.S. Air Force's strategic mobility. When crises arise anywhere in the world, these aircraft are often the first to arrive, carrying troops, vehicles, and vital supplies. It's not just about war. The C5 has also been a beacon of hope in humanitarian missions. From delivering aid to Haiti to evacuations in Afghanistan, this behemoth proves that a powerful force can also be a helping hand. Each C5 undergoes thousands of hours of structural fatigue testing. The wing frames are flexed to their limits, and the hydraulic systems are relentlessly tested. Only aircraft that survive this ordeal are allowed to fly, because each flight carries a mission worth billions of dollars. C5 maintenance is carried out in a dedicated facility with giant cranes and a digital maintenance system. The latest modernization, the RERP, Reliability Enhancement and Re-engineering Program, replaced the older engines with CF680 C2s, increasing efficiency by up to 22%. Operating a C5 requires coordination between pilots, loadmasters, and engineers. They work like an orchestra. Every command and movement must be precise, as even the slightest error can have significant consequences on an aircraft of this size. The C5 is also designed for total night operations. Its navigation system allows for flight without visual illumination, while weather radar and terrain following systems keep the aircraft safe in all conditions. In military diplomacy, the C5 has become a symbol of American logistical power. When allied nations see this giant silhouette landing at their bases, it's not just a gesture of support. It's a statement. We are here. We are ready. For many soldiers, seeing a C5 for the first time is an unforgettable experience. Its shadow obscures the sun, and its size dwarfs humans, as if witnessing proof that human imagination no longer has limits. Although the C-17 Globemaster is more modern and the Ukrainian N-124 is slightly larger, the C-5 retains its strategic advantage, a combination of range, payload capacity, and operational endurance that is hard to match. To aviation enthusiasts, the low roar of the C-5's engines during takeoff is known as the Galaxy Growl, a distinctive chest-shaking roar that heralds the giant's departure from Earth to sky. The C-5 Galaxy is more than just a machine made of metal and wires. It is a symbol of engineering, determination, and humanity's ability to conquer gravity, not for luxury, but for the responsibility of preserving the world. The Super Galaxy version brings major improvements: new engines, modern avionics, a digital navigation system, and increased structural durability. This means the aircraft, which first flew in 1968, is now ready to operate into the 2040s. Lockheed Martin continues to develop concepts for the future, more efficient aircraft, perhaps with clean fuels, or even adaptive wings. But the C-5's legacy will always be a stepping stone to the next technological breakthrough. Every time the C-5 Galaxy takes off, we're reminded of one thing, that the human ambition to explore and serve, whether in wartime or peacetime, will always drive us to create something greater than ourselves. This is the story of the Lockheed C-5 Galaxy, the world's greatest military aircraft, a product of courage, technology, and boundless dedication. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay up to date on the world's most extraordinary military technology journey. See you in the next episode, only on Military Tactical.